It's fall workshops, and we'll be working on mini pumpkins along with leaves, which you will find among my Patreon posts. Welcome. I invite you to join me, Rozani, for a variety of workshops during this 2025 fall season, featuring these little mini pumpkins, because I think you'll find that they're so much fun to create. And here are the supplies that you'll need, starting with papers, and that includes scrap paper, tissue paper, paper napkins, and different colors of copier paper, liquid starch, pencils or markers, craft paints, and your craft brushes or watercolor brushes, along with containers for your water and some wooden skewers, which come in very handy, or something similar that you can use. Once you have your supplies together, you'll be all ready to start your workshop. And then follow along in the tutorials that'll guide you through the process of learning to make these festive mini pumpkins using my papier mâché techniques with liquid starch. And these mini pumpkins will be combined with leaf shapes, which you'll also find in the workshops. And you can take your time and practice at your own pace. You'll find it easy to start from scratch with different types of papers. Instead of discarding, you can transform them into these wonderful pumpkins from your paper scraps. So go beyond the basics when working on your little papier-mâché projects and join my Patreon page for free by following the link in my description. If you're unfamiliar with Patreon, I'd like to tell you a little bit about it. Patreon is a platform that connects patrons to creators through membership tiers of support. So if you've ever wanted to take a class with me, this would be where we connect. You'll be able to find workshops in different price ranges, some which require monthly subscriptions and others that are a one-time purchase, as well as some that are absolutely free. There are several options. So if you want to go ahead and take this workshop in September and get started on your pumpkins, and select that membership tier, which I will be offering for free. So I hope that that will help you out, and you can select from other choices as well if you want to continue with other workshop tutorials. I'm happy that I can offer this particular workshop to you, and I hope that you'll join me and explore the possibilities with me through this virtually interactive learning experience. So, my friends, thanks for being with me, and I hope to see you next time. Bye for now.